Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today is March 29, 2022. I'm here back in the woods checking on the ramps, how it's growing from a few weeks ago. And this is skunk cabbage, and this is ramps right here. Ramps. It's still some snow on the ground yet. សួស្តីអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាថ្ងៃនេះជាថ្ងៃអង្គារខែ3ថ្ងៃទី29 2022ខ្ញុំមកមើលខ្ទឹមព្រៃដុះបានប្រវែងនឹងឯងហើយនឹងស្ពៃព្រៃនេះគេអត់ញ៉ាំទេប៉ុន្តែគេយកធ្វើថ្នាំ This ramp you have to spread the leaf យើងរវែកស្លឹកឈើហ្នឹងទៅឃើញដើមខ្ទឹមហ្នឹងឃើញទេដុះឡើងច្រើន See it's emerged from the ground after the snow. Right now is a good time of year to go out in the woods to check on your ramp spot. Some more ramps. This is big. This is a good size. You can pick this size to make kimchi. You like it young? យើងបេះដកប៉ុណ្នេះទូចស្អាត Gonna dig that one for you. Use the shovel. That's what our ramps look like. Try not to harvest a lot, just one in every group. So I leave the rest. You see how many here? I just picked the big one right now. So I'm not gonna get a lot, just a few for the video. យើងកុំឲ្យដកទាំងអស់ក្នុងមួយកដប់នេះយើងដកតែមួយបានហើយប៉ុណ្នេះយើងអាចញ៉ាំបាន And I'll be back in a couple weeks. It's gonna grow bigger. ពី3អាទិត្យទៀតធំទៀតហើយ This is a wood ear mushroom. អានេះផ្សិតត្រចៀកកណ្ដោនៅស្រុកអាមេរិក It's not the wood ear from China. It normally grow after the snow. And right now it's dried up due to the snow. A couple days ago it frostbite. So this is what it looked like. Wood ear mushroom.